Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make custard ice cream. So let's get started. I've got here 2 cups of full cream milk, 300 ml of thickened cream, half cup of raw sugar or you can use white sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder, quarter teaspoon of yellow food color and quarter cup of milk powder. You will also need an electric beater, a whisk, a spatula, and a container with a lid. Put the thickened cream back in the fridge until needed. Take a small dish, add milk powder and custard powder and give it a mix. Add quarter cup of milk and mix it well to combine. Add it to the jug with the remaining milk and give it a mix. Place a pot on medium heat, add custard milk, sugar and quarter teaspoon of yellow food color. Stir it continuously and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, turn the heat off, transfer it into a dish and let it cool for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, put it in the freezer for 30 minutes to cool down completely. After 30 minutes, take the cold custard out of the freezer and put it aside. Take the thickened cream out of the fridge, transfer it in a big dish and beat it using an electric beater until thick. Add cold custard and beat it well. Cover it with a plastic wrap and put it in the freezer for 2 hours. To stop any crystals from forming in the ice cream, take it out of the freezer after 2 hours and beat it again using an electric beater until smooth. Transfer it into an airtight container, cover it with a plastic wrap first and then put a lid on. Put it back in the freezer to set for 8 hours or overnight. After 8 hours, take it out of the freezer, let it come to room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. My custard ice cream is ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.